Hello everyone, this is Isha from Pictory Customer Success Team, and in this short video I will show you how you can add shadow to your text in the scene. So when you click on the text box on your scene, there is this option to add shadow to your text. You can select the opacity of the shadow, the width of the shadow, and accordingly you can add shadow to your text. So right here, for example, I'm selecting blue color to the shadow. You can select any shade from this part. Then this is how you can select the opacity. I am putting it to the highest option. Then I can select the width. If I put max as the width, maximum width shadow would be applied to the text. Now here in this video I don't think it is very much visible, but if I put a plain background here, just for demonstration I am putting a light colored background, and now if you see, there is a blue color shadow applied to my text in this video. So this is how you can apply shadow. And if you see on the light color background, if you have a white text and you want to highlight that text, you can add a shadow of any color of your choice and highlight that text on your video. So that's how you can add a shadow. Thank you.